Ydych chi wedi clywed stori Melangach? Have you heard the story of Melangach? Dyma dosbarth Mrs Martin yn dweud hanes y stori.
A long, long time ago, there was a beautiful princess called Melangach. Her long wavy hair was the colour of autumn leaves, and her eyes were bright and as green as the summer grass. Yes, Melangach was even more beautiful inside and wide beyond her years. As a young girl, she never left her mother's side. Melangach grew up in Ireland. Her father was King Jochel, and it was his wish that Melangach would marry a young man from a rich Irish family. Melangach was not ready to marry, but her parents said that she had to. So, one night, as everyone slept, she ran away. She travelled through the night, and by morning she was miles away. Did her family come searching for her? Nobody knows. The seas were rough, and the water stretched as far as the eye could see. She was sad, but she knew that she had to leave her home. Eventually, she reached the shore and travelled up to the mountains of Wales. She had no idea where she was going. On her travels, she slept under trees and ate berries from the hedges.
Diwedd, dyma le braf.
Finally, Melangach found a place that felt like home. It was in warm Pennant. It was a very peaceful spot. Melangach made friends with the animals. For 15 years, Melangach lived alone in the valley. But one day, as she played, she heard the sound of horns in the distance.
Beth yw holl sy'n yna? What's that sound? I wonder what's going on.
He could also hear people on horseback. Just then, a hare burst through the leaves and thorns. His eyes were wide and his face was full of fear.
Help me, I'm scared. Delchama, come here quickly. Hide under my cloak, you'll be safe there.
Melangach held the frightened hare under her cloak and waited for people to appear from behind the trees. The snarling dogs came first, but Melangach fixed them with a look. The hounds froze on the spot.
Step aside, madam. Have you seen a hare in these parts of the forest?
What's that your hand under your cloak? Let me see. Your Highness, Prince Brook, I found the hair! Oh, Diane, get it, Han, get it! What's wrong with you, you silly hound? Who are you and what are you doing on my land? Do you know who I am? Yes, do you know who he is? He's Prince Brook of Power. Well, I am the Langest and these are all my friends. What have they ever done to you? You should be ashamed of yourself. I'm sorry, Langest. You know they only protect me now. I'll give you this land.